Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Blue, leg plus oo plus N. Leg oon. Blue Lagoon. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, folks. Good, lively studio audience and some good, lively contestants as well. Young lady on my left is a challenger. Her name is Sharon Corson, and we're delighted to have her back with us. Good luck to you today.
Thank you very much.
Got your little purse. What do you want to mention today?
Well, I neglected to mention my two children, and they want to hear their names. Laura Claire and Bailey.
Laura Claire and Bailey.
Yes.
All right. LC and B.
Yes.
They have been mentioned.
Thank you.
You're facing the same guy you faced last week. Tough champion. He's won $10,661 in prizes. He's from St. Paul, Minnesota. Leonard Lee, a writer.
Good to see you again.
Good luck to you today.
Thank you.
No strikes against Leonard, one against Sharon, and so she must win this first game today in order to stay alive on our program. Here's one of the good prizes you two are playing for.
Yamaha Clavinova keyboard gives your family real piano tone and touch, but lets you practice in private. And it never needs tuning, furnished by Yamaha. Alex.
That's terrific. Sharon and Leonard, here's where you'll find the electronic keyboard at number 24. A vacation in San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Great.
And Sharon, you pick first, please.
Okay, I'd like to open up the board with number 10, please.
Electronic keyboard.
And number 24 for the match,
Just
please.
like that. That was an attractive-looking keyboard, wasn't it? Are you musically inclined? You do?
Yes.
Oh, gosh, I envy you so much. Take a look at the board, and we will show you what these two panels are hiding.
Looks promising.
Looks promising? All of our puzzles look promising at the beginning. Select again.
Okay, number 5, please.
Whirlpool
that'd be
bath.
great. And number 14, please.
Red take, no match. Leonard?
All right, can we start up at number 1?
San Juan
Oh,
Resort.
I'd love to go there. Oh, how about a wild card under number 17?
There is a wild card. And the other San Juan Resort directly beneath the first one. And so 3 panels are going to swing open for this young man, Leonard Lee.
Oh, boy.
Go again.
All right, how about number 8, please?
Green take.
Green take. Did we see that yet? How about number 20?
No, we have a compact disc player there.
Okay, may I see number 11, please?
Gold necklace.
Ooh, I love jewelry. And number 19, please, for the match.
Gold necklace. All right, Sharon. Yes. Do it for her, please. Swing them open. You know, I've been standing here looking at you in profile and also from the front, and you remind me a great deal of an actress whose name I can't come up with. I'm sure other people have told you. Can you think of her name?
No, I can't. I haven't been
It'll
told.
come to me.
Okay.
That's the name. What's her first name? Judith Ivey? Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, you remind me of Judith
great.
Ivey.
Well, I know who she is.
She's got a
Thank you.
TV series now, hasn't she? Yes.
Oh, well, maybe she needs a stand-in.
Are you available for that kind of work?
I'll be available.
Well, all right. Let's get back to our game. Forget about Judith Ivey's game. You select 2.
Number 4, please.
An encyclopedia set.
That'd be great for the kids. Number 16, please, for the match.
Fishing equipment package. No match. Leonard.
Oh, well, let's see if we can find something interesting under number 22.
200 California lottery
Hey, that'd be
tickets.
fun. Let's look for that under number 5, please.
Whirlpool bath. No match. Sharon.
Number 25, please.
Green take.
Number 18, please.
No, that's encyclopedia. Leonard.
Okay, where did we see that encyclopedia? Was it number 4?
Yep.
And number 18 for the match?
That is it. A match for Leonard. And a look at the puzzle. You know, Leonard, I've been standing here for the last little while looking at you in profile and then from the front. And
Do I look like Judith Ivey?
Make another selection.
Okay. How about number 2, please?
Compact disc player.
I thought we saw that. Was that number 25?
No, that's the green take, and we have seen that before. Sharon.
Number 20, please.
Compact disc player.
And, oh no, number 7? Oh! I blanked out.
She blanked out, but came up with a winning combination. That was a wild card, and the other CD player is right above it at number 2. 3 doors, opening for Sharon. Go again.
Number 8, please.
Green take.
And number 25, please.
Green take. There it is. Now.
Oh, gosh. I think I'll take San Juan. I'm sorry, Leonard.
That's okay. I took the other one from you.
Leonard's a very understanding young man. He said, I took the other trip from you in the last game, so it's okay to take San Juan from me now.
Okay.
Oh. Leonard realizes that whoever has prizes doesn't really matter. That's not the important thing. The important thing is solving the puzzle, and perhaps Sharon can solve this one right now as we open these 2 panels. Pick again.
Ooh. Number 23, please.
Whirlpool bath.
And number 5, please, for the
Whirlpool
match.
bath at number 5, yes. A little bit more of the puzzle about to be revealed.
Oh, what is that?
Pick again.
I need to see number 9, please, Alex.
Fishing equipment package.
And number 21 for the match, please.
Nope, red take. Leonard.
Okay, was the fishing equipment under number 16?
Yes.
And number 9?
You are right. Fishing equipment and an encyclopedia set in Leonard's column. Can he solve the puzzle and keep those prizes? Go again.
All right, how about number 13 right in the middle?
Still a wild card up there, too. 200 California lottery tickets.
And where was that? Number 22?
I think so. Yep. We're getting right down to the last panels on this particular puzzle. Open it up. Pick again, Leonard.
All right, number 12, please.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Well, how about number 14 for the match?
Red take. Sharon's big opportunity to clean up.
Number 21, please.
Red take.
And number 14 for the match.
Red take. What do you like?
Oh, gosh. I don't know how you play the lottery in California.
That's 200 California lottery
You just
tickets.
scratch them?
I'd go for the encyclopedia.
Well, I could use the encyclopedia. We need one, so I'm going to
Sure.
take the encyclopedia.
She's going for the encyclopedia. We'll open these 2 doors. We'll show you 3, 12, and 15. They match up, and we have the wild card. So the motorcycle goes into your column as well. Now, you give a little sign of recognition a few moments ago as if you thought you could solve this. Now, you've got everything showing. Open the doors. Sharon, for a big win. What is this?
Oh. Is it don't...
You didn't start in time, so we'll have to give Leonard a chance. He can't do it. All right, hands on your signaling buttons. Get ready to ring in. We've got the arrows pointing at the dough, plus NT, and then we've got a ski lift. Sharon.
Don't lift a finger.
You better believe it. Don't lift a finger. Come on, Sharon. What do you think it was? Don't ski a finger?
No, I don't point a finger.
Aha.
Okay, first we have the dough from the baker, and the end don't, and the ski lift, don't lift, and then we have the pile of hay, and a fin plus a gird. Don't lift a finger.
You still want to say don't point a finger.
I know.
Don't point a finger at me. Leonard, just one strike against you, so you're coming back in the
Win
next
that
game.
car, Sharon.
We'll see you in a little bit, Leonard. Big win for you, Sharon. A lot of prizes. Let's hear about them. Gene.
a gold necklace, a Whirlpool bath, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a Whirlpool bath or other top name brands from our catalog, or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and an encyclopedia set. You may explore your world in the best-selling World Book Encyclopedia. 18,000 articles, 29,000 illustrations, from dinosaurs to space exploration, furnished by World Book, and a compact disc player. This CD player lets you randomly select up to 20 choices on this compact disc player with 19-key wireless remote control, and a motorcycle. It's time to declare your independence on a Honda NS50F. A sporty motorcycle is comfortable and easy to operate. It's got a style all its own. It's easy to park, and it's a lot of fun, too. And a San Juan Resort. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Condado Plaza Hotel and Casino, oceanfront center of Caribbean romance and excitement. Restaurants, entertainment, disco, tennis, water sports, and 4 pools. Minutes from Old San Juan, furnished by the Condado Plaza. And, of course, the handsome electronic keyboard. And Sharon, you've won a big, big prize worth $8,744.
Big prize indeed, and she could win a brand new car also when we come back.
Get in shape.
She agrees with us. She was looking at herself in the monitor and she said, I do look like Judith Ivey. Well, Judith Ivey is a talented lady. She's a winner, and you're a winner already, but you could win a brand new car right now. 15 numbered squares and base time on the clock, 35 seconds. Go for it. Good luck.
1, 3,
Nope.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
Nope.
2, 10,
Yep.
5, 11,
No.
3, 11,
Yep.
12, 13,
No.
8, 14,
No.
1, 14,
Yep.
15, 7,
Yep.
4, 8,
No.
13, 5,
Yep.
6, 8.
Boy, you're dynamite. Aren't you glad you got to the winner's circle to see how
Yes.
good you are? If you get back here with 40 seconds on the clock,
Bonus seconds.
you won't even need bonus seconds. You'll win a car even without the bonus, but you've got $8,744 right now. And you're going to play again right after this.
No matter what.
Tiebreaker game coming up right now. Each of our contestants vulnerable. Only one wild card in this one, and we have this as one of the good prizes.
Samsung's full-size VHS camcorder with advanced features, including 8:1 power zoom and low light sensitivity, furnished by Samsung Electronics. Alex.
And where do we find the camcorder? On our board, dead center, easy to remember. $700 in the cash pot in this game. 5 bonus seconds in this game, and a vacation in Wyoming. Wonderful Wyoming.
Okay.
Leonard, you get to pick first.
Well, let's go to Wyoming. How about number 17?
5 bonus seconds.
That would be very nice. Is there a match on a number 20?
No, that's the cash pot. Sharon?
Number 10, please.
Golf clubs.
Oh, that'd be great. And number 24 for the match?
Wild card, the only one on the board. You found it. The other golf clubs are directly above it. So 3 doors swinging open for Sharon. Select again.
Number 5, please.
Telescope.
And number 1, please, for the telescope.
No, cash pot.
Oh,
Leonard?
I saw the cash, I think, on a number 20.
Yep.
And number 1 for the match.
20 and 1, make a match. Yeah. Good prize for you.
Yeah, I'll take that.
$700.
Always good.
Take a look. Pick again.
How about number 3, please?
Video
Video
camera.
cam, and we saw that under number 13?
Yep. Easy to remember when it's dead center.
Sometimes.
Do it again. Open it for him.
Oh, I want to see what's under number 8 and 9.
What is it you find so funny there?
I really like to see what's under number 8. But no, well,
It's a
let's see what's
contortionist. Who knows? Anything could be there.
Okay, well, let's try number 8.
Okay. Silver buffet service.
How about number 6?
Air conditioner. Sharon.
Number 9, please.
Wyoming
Oh,
Resort.
great. And number 17, please.
No, the bonus seconds are there. Leonard?
Okay, how about number 16, please?
Diamond and ruby earrings.
Well, look good on me. Maybe number 22?
Diamond and ruby earrings. Wait a minute, let me check it out. Yeah, I think they look all right on those ears. Take a look, Leonard. I just noticed this is one of those rare occasions when we have a puzzle where there is nothing, no part of any element in that center square.
Oh.
That's strange. Select, Leonard.
Number 23, please, Alex.
Telescope?
And was that under number 5?
Telescope, yes. Take another look.
Okay. Is it Johnny Carson?
Oh, well, we've got 2 woos in the audience and a secondary woo from the same guy who gave the first woo.
Oh.
He thinks you're right. Well, let's find out. We must check with our illustrious producer, Gabrielle Johnson. Gabby? Johnny Carson, he said. And he is right. Pull that one out of thin air. No, he got the cash spot. Come on, Leonard, let's go. Well done. My gosh, that was good.
Whoa, that was a leap of faith. I have no idea what this is. I know that's
a
a
jaw.
knee. Oh, that's a jaw. Okay, Johnny.
Now-
plus you have the K plus arson. So Carson, Johnny Carson.
Now, in response to your earlier question, you were wondering what's behind panel number 8?
Oh, okay.
This is
Yeah.
behind panel number 8. See, it's just-
Disappointing.
He's tough. He's really tough. Sharon, we've got to say goodbye. You came in, you faced a really good player, and you beat him in the last game.
And it was wonderful.
And you're winding up with a
Thank
holiday
you.
in San Juan, a lot of other prizes that take you close to $9,000. So,
Thank
congratulations.
you so much. Thank you.
Let us know if you become a stand-in for Judith Ivey. Goodbye, Sharon. All right, Leonard, some prizes for you. Coming up, Gene.
A cash pot worth $700, diamond ruby earrings, and a telescope. Jason, discover astronomical refractor telescope. 454 power with tripod and equatorial mount for easy tracking, furnished by Jason. And, of course, the handsome video camera. And, Leonard, here's prizes worth $2,494.
So you're over the $10,000 mark by a good sum, and you get a chance to play for a car when we come back. On the clock, I think you're going to win a car. Good luck. Go for it.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 8,
No.
9, 7,
Right.
10, 6,
No.
3, 10,
Right.
11, 4,
Yes.
12, 8,
Yes.
13, 5,
Yes.
14, 2,
Yes.
15, 6.
Yes. That's it. 16 seconds. Way to go, Leonard. 34 seconds. Brand new car. Hear about it now. Gene, tell him.
Leonard, you just won the Subaru Justy two-door coupe. Features a 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and air conditioning. Furnished by Subaru, a prize worth over $8,200.
That takes you up to $21,449. I'll tell you, I'm really happy for you, but the bad side for me is that we're going to miss you, Leonard, because you really have made it.
So much fun.
You made it so exciting for us. Congratulations.
Thanks.
All right, we're going to take a break. We're going to come right back after this.
Some of today's participants may receive Patty O'Neill American Fashions for all the world to see. Elegant, beautiful, head-turning designer dresses, always in fashion, furnished by Patty O'Neill. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
For us today, but I have a feeling that very soon on a television channel very close to your home, you will see the Leonard and Marjorie show, because these two are terrific together. They've kind of squeezed me out, but that's all right. We'll see you all tomorrow with some new players. So long, everyone.
This This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.